So next in my series of one round crochet, where I do little crochet patterns that are made in just one round of one row, is this cute bunny. So we start with a magic ring. And we do chain 1, then we start with 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet. Then we chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then along the back of the chain we single crochet 5. So you can see we have the chain, then along these little bumps on the back of the chain we do single crochet 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to end it, we're going to do 1 single crochet on this little bump that we have from the double crochet that we did in the magic ring. And after that we do 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Now we're going to make another ear, so again we chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We single crochet 5 on these little bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we single crochet 1 in the double crochet that we did in the magic ring. And after that we end with 3 double crochets in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3. And that's actually almost it. Now we close the magic ring. And we do 1 slip stitch to the first double crochet that we did. So that's this one. And that's it. So you can kind of tuck the ears so that they stand up nicely. And that's your little bunny. So what I like to do is I like to use these two ends to attach the bunny to whatever I want it to attach to. If I just want to have the bunny, then I just knot these two together. And I weave in the ends here so that I just have the bunny. So to weave in the ends, first I like to make sure that they're not too long to start with. try to get them through the needle. Well, actually first I like to put the needle through a few stitches. Then I like to put these through the needle and just tuck them through, which can be difficult depending on how tight your stitches are. If it doesn't work, you can always get one of these. These are made for jewelry making, but they work fine for just tugging needles through. And then once they're here, you can cut the ends. And you have your cute little bunny. If you want more of these kind of really small quick patterns, I have a playlist and I'm gonna upload a few more of these patterns, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested in that.